What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it is all about this cryptocurrency here called Loopring, also known as LRC. So this is a highly requested video. The only reason is, obviously, as you can see, since about late November, it has been doing nothing but dropping in value. So a lot of people are worried on, is it a good time to buy, is it a good time to sell, even though they're on a loss, should they sell it before it goes worse and worse and worse. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through today. My prediction on this crypto over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Will it recover? Will it go into the green zone, blue zone, or even all the way to the top anytime soon, or by the end of the year? And also over the coming years, is it a good project? What they're doing at the moment, is it going to last, and so on and stuff like that. But before I go into any of that stuff, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, guys, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And to make it even better, it's not just going to be 1 or 2 winners in this giveaway. There's going to be at least 3 lucky winners that are going to be winning some sort of cryptocurrencies of your choice. So again, make sure to follow me on Instagram to find out more about the giveaway. So as you can see here, over the last day itself, it has dropped just about 1.57%. It's been quite volatile. It's been up, down, but overall it's just about 1% down. And yes, obviously the current value is 73 cents. Over the week, it has dropped 6% in value. We can see a major drop here. Feb 27th, recovered very quickly and currently dropping back down, and over the month a massive 25% down. So a quarter of its value has been wiped off in just a single month. So in the last 24 hours, its trading volume has gone just about 2% up in the last 24 hours. The only reason for, there hasn't been much change in percentage on the trading volume is because obviously there hasn't been much change in the percentage. So obviously it hasn't increased in value for people to be selling it, and obviously it hasn't dropped that much for people to be buying the dips. So what have people been doing? Just been holding on to it, and people who are looking to buy would obviously wait for it to dip a little bit more before they get into it. So again, before I go into anything, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So yes, we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, but I'm going to hide it for now. We'll use it later on in the video when I go into more technical analysis. But at the moment, I'm going to get the MACD indicator, which is one of the indicators I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top, we've got the usual candlestick pattern chart with the SMA indicator running across the chart, which is the purple line, which is currently valuing it at 79 cents. However, it is trading at 73 cents, which is way lower than the average value, meaning it is not performing too well right now. We can see the last time it was above that was on the 2nd of March, 4 days ago, and then ever since then it has been dropping, becoming below the average value. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are both going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning slight drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So I'm talking about towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a lower value than 73 cents. Again, very likely it is going to head towards the 70 cents, but by midday to late tomorrow as well. As again, when I'm talking about dips, it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently dropping in value. Yes, we are going to see little peaks in between, like here. That is exactly what's likely to take place. We're going to see green, red, mixture of both ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again looking very similar to the previous chart, still looking negative. More drops in value are expected for Loopring over the coming days. So in this case, I'm talking about mid to late next week, we should expect more drops in value, and very likely it is going to drop below the 70 cents mark by the end of next week, and probably head towards the 65 cents, but hopefully it doesn't go below that, because if it does, I'll show you guys later with the Fibonacci scale, it is likely to drop even further than that and have a major drop in value, which I'm not expecting, and obviously none of us want that to happen unless you're looking to buy the dips. So Moving on to the daily chart, what we're looking a little bit positive now. We have taken a slight U-turn. So over the next couple of weeks, so in this case I'm talking about mid-April to late April, we should expect an overall increase in value. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning more increases in value are expected over the long term. So again, I'm saying long term, but it's not really, the long term. It's just the next couple of weeks. So there's probably mid-April to late April. In month and a half time, we should expect an overall increase in value on Loopring, hopefully heading towards the 85 to 90 cents mark by early May. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and what we're going to do now is get the Fibonacci scale. So at the moment we are in the red zone, so we are at the lowest point, as you can see here. Obviously it's gone lower back last year, late last year, and then had a major peak hitting, let's have a look, in 2021 November time, when it hit $3.82 and dropped all the way back down. So what we can see here, every time it does hit the top 100% here, it drops back down, hits that, drops back down. I was fluctuating around this target here, taking a drop, fluctuated, taking a drop, fluctuated, taking a drop, and currently every time it reaches this target here, oops, what have I done? So every time it does reach, let me bring this down a little bit. So as you can see, every time it reaches the 23 cents mark, it always drops back down, and currently it is in the red zone. So it is not looking too great right now, but hopefully we should be able to hit the $1.40 by, let's say, Q3 of 2022. So in the next couple of months we should be able to hit, as if it does hit this target, it can do two things. So it can either break out and go, literally just go beyond the $1.40, heading towards the $2 mark, or it will just literally drop back down to around the $1 to $1.20 mark, which I am expecting, because that's what most of the time it happens. But it all depends on any news that comes around, and how the crypto market is performing, especially that Bitcoin, obviously, as you can see on the side, has dropped below the $40,000 mark. Most of the cryptos are down, including Ethereum, XRP, and including Loopring as well, except there's only a couple of cryptos which are up today, but most of them are down, including Loopring. So yeah, for example, if Bitcoin does manage to go beyond the 45 and heading towards the $50,000 mark by the end of the month or April time, or whenever that is, we should see a major increase in value, not just on Bitcoin but the whole crypto market. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on Loopring, guys. Regarding your questions of can Loopring hit a new all-time high? Yes, it is possible, but not anytime soon. Hopefully towards the end of the year, November, December time, we should be able to see a new all-time high. However, I'm going to leave it there, and there will be more updates, more videos coming on Loopring. If you guys have any questions, any queries, whatever it may be, comment them down below or send me a DM on Instagram and I'll answer them in my next Loopring video. But yeah, that is pretty much it. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on this channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. You know what to do, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.